Alrighty boys, we are out in Mexico filming this NITROUS video. I know a lot of you guys have been up me for a long time to get it done, so here we go. Let's get into it. Now, I'm not gonna lie boys, I am extremely nervous about this. If I said I wasn't, you'd know I'd be lying, but yeah, we've done it on the dyno, so now it's time to do it on the road. Wish me luck. Alright, here we go. Alright boys, so I've never done this before. First time using NOS on the road. It's only a little bottle, so we only really got one shot at it, so we'll just give it the full send. They reckon don't do it in a low gear because you'll flip it, so I think we'll go 5th gear and we'll roll on from about 2000 RPM. Obviously I've got to blur this for, you know, reasons, and this video was filmed in Mexico in the year 2029. Alright, now we got all that out of the way. Now I've wired in this switch the wrong way, so that looks like it's armed, but it's actually turned off. So now we're armed. I'll have to change that later. So now all I have to do to fire it is press the horn button. That's the way the relay's wired in. Bottle's turned on, we're armed. Whew. Did I mention I'm shitting myself? Alright, here we go, 80 Ks. Ready? 3, 2, 1. Holy shit! Whoa! Fucking hell! Oh my god, oh my fucking god. Woo! Holy shit, that gets you going. Oh, man, I am shaking, literally shaking. That is good fun, boys. Holy shit, that's good fun. Woo! Oh, man. Wow. I thought I was going to shit myself and like take my finger off midway through, you know, like get nervous, but I didn't. I held it on full send. Yeah, man, yes, that is so much fun. Oh, now I had a fair few people calling me a dickhead for doing this, but to those people, have you done it? Have you tried it? If you haven't, have a go at that. Sorry for the heavy breathing, I'm just, yeah. But that's pretty cool. Must have peeled a bit of tyre. Would have been cool to have the drone, but oh well. Alright, thanks for watching guys. Yeah, I'm not going to drag on. This will just be the end of the video here, but leave a comment below if you've ever used NOS on a motorbike. Or that's the first time ever for me. I haven't used it in a car, boat, nothing. And yeah, on a 110 cube Dyna wide glide. That was awesome. All right, see you later. I gotta go have a beer. Catch ya.